What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the EDC for Fun channel. My name is Dennis. Thanks for checking out the video. Today I've got my Divo knives stout because I'm unboxing the follow-up release to the stout, the Divo Buzz. I got in on the pre-order for the Buzz in October, and for the last 6 months have been patiently waiting. Got an excellent leather pouch, Divo Knives Ranger Eye, very nice vinyl sticker, Divo Buzz, and we've got a Divo Knives cleaning cloth, blue instead of white like the last one, which I definitely prefer this over the white. We've got some extra hardware, clip, bearings, steel lock bar insert, and a sterile pivot. It's going to come with the branded pivot on there. Very nice, softly lined pouch. Blade centering is dead nuts. Stonewash finish on the titanium handles looks excellent. We've got our branded pivot there. Very nice contouring. Some jimping up for the front flipper or top flipper. And some Vox style jimping up farther down on the spine of the blade. Deep carry wire pocket clip. T8 hardware all over. Get a peek at that black stone-washed BuzzCliffe blade, which we'll see here in a second. And we do have an opening hole for deployment as well as a top flipper. What should we go with first? Let's go top flipper. Fires out very smooth. Get our first look at this hollow ground blade. They fixed the issue with the prototype where the plunge grind disappeared behind the shoulder of the scale there. Very generous cutout for lock bar access. Lockup looks to be about 40. And so we do have a titanium liner lock that is inset into the scales. You can see we've got some milling in the liner there. It does have a steel lock bar insert. We also have this back spacer here with a post for a lanyard, if you want to run a lanyard. Pocket clip is reversible. Beautiful blade. Jimping feels great. Gives you enough texture without being too sharp. Check the action. Okay. Reverse flick. A little tight. Shake will send it home. Ha! So I wasn't sure I would be able to knuck flip this, but you definitely can, which is fun. That's definitely lately been my favorite way to open a knife. You just got to get it at the top, not at the front like you would a normal front flipper. Just roll that bad boy right over. Fires out, no problem. Let's check the retention on that detent. Okay, you can definitely shake it out. So not the strongest. Thumb flick. Go index, middle finger, ring finger, pinky. Got a 5-finger knife. In hand, it feels incredible. It's about 4 ounces. All the contours just melt it right into your hand. With that hollow grind on there, it's going to be a joy to just slice through anything. Let's slice up some cardboard real quick. Super sharp. Glides through, no problem. Factory edge is actually really nice. So after 6 months of waiting, my first impressions, asking myself, was it worth it? Absolutely. This is a fantastic knife. It looks awesome. It feels awesome. It's got great materials, great design, aesthetic, from tip to butt. Fit and finish is superb. These were OEM by Bestech. Go ahead and put it side by side with the Stout. I'll put the specs on screen for the Buzz. Got it next to a pair 2, pair 3, right in between. Super excited to get this finally and put it in pocket, start using it, put it in the rotation, and Lord willing, follow up with you guys and let you know what I think about it. As of now, I'm loving it. I really appreciate you checking out the video. I want to say thanks, and I hope you have a fantastic day. God bless you guys. See ya.